Hi. So today was supposed to be an episode about my S13 because probably some of you might be quite interested in seeing what's in the car now, how does it run, what has been done. But unfortunately it is raining, so instead I will just start doing the 2GZ disassemble. So I want to show you around. If you if you want to, you can come with me and have a look and start my 2GZ project. So yeah, let's go. Going to start from draining oil. There should be a plug somewhere there. I don't know if you can see that, it's here. So yeah, and then we can do other things after. So let's try again. Oh, it's coming. Coming. Oh. Hi, listen. Need to go. Wow, okay, we need to take those covers, have a look how they are doing, and so let's take those covers now. Odkręcam to, tak? Mhm. Pachniesz jak obiad.
Bo go zrobiłem. Chodź, poczęstuję do swojego zupu.
Już idziemy, no. Ktoś musi być operatorem. No i operator wyszedł. He made me food, so I need to go. Be back in a minute. Right, so the oil is drained. We took those two covers just because we want to weld in the AN10 connectors in there. Connectors are the connectors, so that will be next. Then we need to take that away just so we can remove the timing and change the belt. So that's the next steps. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Girls struggling to do simple things, but yeah, hopefully on the next episode there'll be some more exciting things. So yeah, thank you.